generating activities and things on financial matters, a little bit more of a broad base, by your host, Tim Torosian. So, Tim, take it away. What for us today?
Well, I'll start out with the crypto recommendation. To tell you about Solana, what we like to do is use the chat here, and we like to type in sometimes that is important. There it is, Solana. Solana is a blockchain. Solana is a blockchain. Why is that important, right? So you want safety and security. I think you want a blockchain. A blockchain. Safety, security. Investors want safety and security. Of course, investors want to make gazillion dollars, right? If you're an investor, most likely you have a family, a wife, a husband, a job, retirement account. You're looking for security. You want things like healthcare, food, utilities, anytime, security, or subs of your day-to-day living. So Solana is a blockchain, right? Look in the chat. Solana coin. So let's do some parallels here. Bitcoin is a blockchain. Solana. Bitcoin is $30,000. Solana is $20. Buy Solana. Why? Well, I want to buy the more expensive one. Well, if you buy the more expensive one, which is Bitcoin, you're not going to make any money. Safety and security, part of that is making money. Isn't part of safety and security with your money increasing the amount of money you have? Doesn't that make you safer? It's just a rhetorical question, maybe. Does money make you safer? Does it give you more security? Consider that this Solana, Solana, S-O-L-A-N-A, is $20 for 1 unit. And someday that's 200. Today it's worth 20. Someday it'll be worth 200. Why? Because it's a blockchain. A blockchain is like that you hang ornaments on. A blockchain is like a Christmas tree, ornaments on. Those shiny red and gold and green ornaments into the future. That's security. So you invest in things around for a long, long time. And security, you get appreciation of price. You get security means things get bigger and better, more powerful, more expensive. You want what you buy to become more powerful, more useful. And that's what Solana is. So doesn't have as much useful as Bitcoin, but that's this year, 2023. In the future, it will have more usefulness, and it will be the next, perhaps, be the next coin. But let's not get too excited and too ahead of ourselves. It's a blockchain, and it's important. Blockchains, important things are expensive. This is what we know about day-to-day life. Things that mean something are not cheap in economic terms, in our personal value terms. They're expensive. Let's look at the Solana blockchain, and let's look at cryptocurrencies that are on the Solana chain, that use the Solana blockchain. So associated cryptocurrencies that are very, very reasonably priced, and that will go up in the future if they're on Solana. And just to do a little editorial, you're going to get a lot of news about the federal government making cryptocurrencies, and I know this is far above most people's understanding, but instead of a cryptocurrency being used for exchange, which cryptocurrencies are being used like a currency, like the United States dollar, what they'll do is make it a security, which is a share of stock, like Apple, like Amazon. There's less competition for the United States dollar as a currency, because if you were a dollar, you'd be scared, because now you don't have to just use the dollar to buy. If I went to a car dealership and buy a popular car, Toyota, what's popular? I don't even know. Chevrolet maybe today. And I can get with dollars or Bitcoin, perhaps. If I have a debit credit card and I may be able to use my coin on my debit card, credit card, to use crypto. So these cryptos are being used as currency, as means of exchange in countries that their currency, they're less, right? They sit down for a cup of coffee, it's $1, and they get up and the price of the cup went up to $3. That's called inflation. We have it here, but in Brazil it's worse. Currencies. Instead of the dollar, instead of the United States dollar, some countries, some cryptocurrencies that are out there. Now, this is not a good, it's potentially not a good thing. If you're a citizen, you're going to get taxed on the money you make with cryptocurrency. But if you're sitting in Nigeria, you're using a cryptocurrency, it's potentially, say, don't make a judgment here. Cryptocurrencies are good for the world economy and economy. But we want to focus on Solana. It's safer because the money in the bank is going to be here due to inflation. If you get 4% interest and you've lost 2% of the value of your currency, the bank has been holding on to it for, and they can do whatever they want with your money. You can't, and they're going to invest your money and make money with your money. Anyway, what's better than that? Maybe Solana, SOLANA. It's a great time to be an American. It's a great time to be a crypto investor. I want to encourage and just go and
thank you so much, Tim. As always, we appreciate Tim Torosian here as host of the Crypto Show. Special thanks to our distribution partners, Jason with the Disability, Zach Clayton of the Pact Channel, Marcus Hart Media Network, Wingate with Wingate Studios and Wingate TV. And we also want to recognize Nonprofit TV and their Facebook campaign. Thank you so much, Tim. We will see you next time. Bye for now.
Recording stop.